Okay, good morning class. Good morning, sir. So as we have done with the OIR test, now you are proceeded for the next task, that is PPDT, picture perception and discussion test. In this test you will be shown a picture for 30 seconds, then after you have to write a story on the basis of your perception. Although आप अभी क्लास 11th में हैं, आपके पास अभी टाइम है, तो ये आपका पीपीडीटी का टेस्ट नहीं है, पीपीडीटी का प्रैक्टिस है, ठीक है। इस तरीके से आपको एक अनुमान लग जाएगा कैसे पीपीडीटी होती है, आप कहाँ पे खड़े हैं और कितनी मेहनत करने की अभी आवश्यकता है। ऑल क्लियर? यस सर। ओके, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस विद द पीपीडीटी. PPDT stands for Picture Perception and Discussion Test. In this test, you will be shown a hazy picture for the 30 seconds. Then after, the picture will be vanished from the screen. You will be provided 1 minute to write the action of your story and fill the box. And that box which is provided to you is the same, the replica of that screen. In that box, you have to mention how many characters you have shown, their gender, their age, and their mood. Then after, you have to write the action of your story. Then after, you will be provided with 3 minutes to write the story which you have perceived after seeing the picture into your answer sheet. Getting the point? Yes, sir. Then after, you all have to narrate your story one by one in 1 minute. Once the last chest number 55 finish his narration, then after immediately your group discussion will be started. Getting the point? Yes, sir. You have to reach a common story after having your group discussion, and then any one of you can stand and give me the common story of your group. Get it? All clear? Yes, sir. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Okay. The picture is going to be flash on the screen. इसको दे दो, यही नरेशन शुरू होगा. बॉक्स बना लो सारे लोग, और उसके बगल में एक्शन लिखो और नीचे स्टोरी. ऑल सेट? तैयार हो सब? ऑल आइज ऑन द स्क्रीन. One minute to fill the box and write the action of your story. Okay, 3 minutes for writing the story on the basis of your perception of that picture. It starts now. Okay, time up. Pens down. Now put your pen inside your copy and keep your copy at the back side of your chair. Now chest number 75, please start with your narration part.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. As shown in the picture, I had perceived that there are four members in a family who are preparing his birthday party. The story is that there is a boy whose name is Ram, whose age is 14 years old. His birthday is in his own date, and his family is preparing for his birthday party, and his father came gave him a new cycle, and today he is so happy, and his family are also happy, and mother gave him a new toy. That is why his family is happy.
Okay, next.
Hi there, this is Parveen, and today I am going to explain the pictures that is given on the board. According to my theme, in this picture there are 4 characters, and one character is mother, and 3 are her sons. Both 3 are brothers. 3 are quarrel each other for a single cakes, and mother give him a suggestions for a cake to distribute the cakes into 3 parts. They are not 3 are not able to distribute, but mothers understood him and try to understand, and 3 are.
Okay, next.
So hello friends, in this picture I perceive 4 characters in which 3 were male and 1 was female. All are in age group between 20 to 22 and they all are in very positive mood. My action of my story is to for making farewell party. So actually they are made the organizing leader of the farewell party. So my hero is Ramesh. So they are deciding to make the farewell parties very memorable, that because they will not meet again and in such kind of institutions. So they are estimating the money, they are collecting their cakes, they are all organized, how will the party will going and how the teacher will speech, how the all things will go. Thank you.
Get compliment from
Okay,
their
next.
seniors and principals.
According to my perception, there are 4 characters. One is female and 3 are males. These 3 are in near about 14 to 18 year olds, and one which is mother. His age is 28 years old. They are gathered for celebrating birthday party. They all are in positive mood. Mother, Ramesh, there is a party of Ramesh birthday party. Mother suggested his son Ramesh to invite his all friends for his birthday celebration, and Ramesh invite his all friends in his house for his birthday celebration. They are so excited. The time.
Okay, next.
And the female were 30 to 36. All are the family member and they have collected in dining room to celebrate birthday party. As the female character was looking tense and he was in negative mood, as they were looking forward for the father, as his father was stuck in the traffic and he could not able to come in the birthday celebration, and they were discussing that it is about 8 o'clock and our father has not come, and they were discussing on the topic, and locked from that they were humbly waiting for that, and memorably that how his past celebration were, and how could be they effort to make this celebration more memorable, and as they were looking for the father, and all the discussion were going in the room.
Okay, one of you please stand up and give me the common story of your group. Yeah, okay. In this way, the PPDT testing has been finished. Getting the point? Yes, sir. Now, it's time for the feedback. Test number 75. You are lacking with fluency in English communication. Getting the point? Yes. Your communication was very poor. Apart from this, don't look to the assessor. While speaking, while giving your points, while having group discussion, always look to your group members. You have to narrate your story to your group members only. You have to discuss among your group members only. Getting the point? Yes. Yeah, you got triple N. No for narration, no for your story, and no for your discussion. All okay? Okay, test number 47. You are also lacking in the fluency. Work on your grammar part. Don't look to the assessor as well. Your voice was too low. I cannot hear your voice. Getting the point? Triple N. Test number 8. Your eye contact was not uniform. You are looking here and there. You also having the grammar mistakes. You are choking at the point. Whenever you got the ground, in the narration part also and in the discussion part also, you are choking at the moment. Getting the point? Work on your communication, please. Triple N. 264. Same, very low voice. I am unable to hear you. Eye contact was not uniform and you have a very poor English communication. Work on your communication. Triple N. 190. Your eye contact was okay. You have mentioned about the gender, age and mood of the characters. Also, you have told the action of your story. Body language was okay, but you narrate your story in only 47 seconds. Try to complete 1 minute. Rest of the things are okay. You got triple D. Doubtful in narration, doubtful in the story and doubtful in the discussion as well. Means have the potential to get screen in. Test number 131. Eye contact was low, looking downward throughout your narration. Also have the low voice, although you have participated in the group discussion as well. And in the narration part also, if you could raise your volume, maybe you will be proven impactful. You got 2D. D for your narration and D for your discussion and for your story. Maybe canvas screening. Okay? Test number 12. You also, while giving your narration, you are continuously looking downward. Your body language was low and you have the breaking in the voice. While speaking, you choke at the moments. Getting the point? Triple N. Test number 36. Same problem. Very low voice. Eye contact was low, body language was low, and very poor in English communication. Triple N. Test number 198. Fillers are still coming. Poor communication. Although in the story part you can get D, doubtful, but in the narration and the discussion you got an N. Okay, test number 129. Incomplete narrations. And you also didn't participate in the group discussion. Please reuse your participation as well as work on your communication skills. Triple N. Test number 41. While narrating, please don't look to the assessor. Tone was okay, body language was okay. Although you have narrated only for 40 seconds, please raise this time and try to touch 1 minute. Okay? In the discussion part also, you have active participation throughout the discussion. That's why you got triple D, doubtful in all the three aspects. Hence have the potential to get screen in. 151. Very low voice, unable to hear whatever you had said in your narration part. Lack of confidence and also lack of communication. No uniform eye contact was there. Getting the point? That's why triple N. Test number 132. No eye contact. Don't look to only one person. Try to look to all the group members and then try to give your points. You can get D in your narration part, but N for your story and for your discussion. All okay? 165. No eye contact with any of the group members. Lacking in communications. Your speaking skills are not appropriate. You have grammar mistake, you have the accent problem, and also you have the overall problem of English speaking. Getting the point? That's why you got triple N. Test number 199. Your tone was okay, pitch okay, no fillers are coming. Must have eye contact with all. You have eye contact with only one or two people. Okay? And also work on your pitch modulation. Rest of the things are okay. You will get triple D for your narration, discussion as well as story part. Means have the potential to get screening. Test number 55. Low body language. You are continuously looking to the ground. Means you are lacking with the confidence. Also you have poor English speaking skills. Work on your communication skill as well as boost your confidence. Getting the point? Okay. So as we can see that only 2 or 3 candidates are here who have the potential of getting screen in. Getting the point? And you are in number 16. So sir, please work on your communication skills. If you are unable to work on your English speaking skills, please join the communication classes which will be taken by Pranjali ma'am from tomorrow onwards at 7 am. Getting the point? Yes, sir. If you are unable to practice by your own, please join that class. It's my advice. But please, anyhow, you have to work on your communication. Raise your communication at that level that you are able to communicate in between the group. Okay? Rest of the things are okay. I hope in 1 year you will be enough polished to get screening and also to get recommendation. Yes, sir. हो जाएगा? Yes, sir. Okay, then see you later. Thank you.